We often say bless you when someone sneezes, but why? The answer lies in history, specifically during the time of the plague. People believed that a sneeze could be an early symptom of the deadly disease, causing fear among the masses. To counter this fear, they would bless each other in hopes it would provide protection. This practice, born out of paranoia and fear, has been passed down through generations and is still with us today. So, next time you are about to say, bless you, remember it's a custom born in the shadows of a pandemic.